If you wanted to open two apps in split screen view on Realme Note 70T, then first of all we need to open the two apps that support this view. So for example, I'm going to use the Play Store and the Chrome browser. Then we're going to go to background apps, and over here in the top right corner you should be able to find three dots above the preview. So you can tap over here, and if the split view is available, then you should be able to find it here. So we can open the first app, and we can open another app, or just go to the background apps and reopen the one that you just used. And there we go. As you can see, now we have this split screen view. And unfortunately, not every app supports this view. So for example, if I try to open Photos app, as you can see, we have this information that this app doesn't support this split screen view. So you have to keep that in mind. And apparently there is also a gesture that allows you to use three fingers and swipe up in the app in order to open the split screen view. However, it seems that in my case, most of the time it doesn't work. I'm not sure why, but I'm gonna show you how to actually find this gesture. So we're gonna open settings, scroll down to accessibility and convenience, and then over here we have split view. And this is the gesture that I'm talking about. And apparently we can swipe with three fingers in order to enter the split view. And if I try to do this in the setting app, then as you can see, it tries to make it work, but I cannot actually use this app in split screen view. But if I try to use it on a normal app that supports split screen, as you can see, it doesn't work for some reason. It might be just bugged, so perhaps in the future, as when you are watching this video, it might be already fixed. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.